In this video, we will see how to remove the formula in Excel sheet. Okay, let's see. This is my Excel sheet. You can see here in cell amount is already used the formula. Okay, if I want to share this Excel file to any other person, but I don't want to show him the formula, then I can remove this and share it. Okay, let's see how it's done. First, just select the data, copy, click on the home tab. You get here option paste, and in paste value, click on the values, paste special values. That's it. Now you can see only amount show in formula bar. Okay, okay, that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe.